Alright, I wanted to catch this trade live. Tried to hop on as quick as I can just to show you, um, what it is that I'm looking at when I'm getting into these trades. Because, like I said, the concept is simple. It's just executing it in real time. So what I saw with this here is if I go to a larger time frame on an hourly, we had a demand that formed here. I would say 1 hour demand that formed here. So on the larger time frame, we had 1 hour demand that formed here. We had a base, we rallied, and price came back to retest that demand. If we go into a smaller time frame, we can see where price came back and retested that demand. Now this is the model that I use to where we want to see a change in market structure. We want price to go to a key area, and once it goes to that key area, we're looking for that pivotal reverse. So if I look here, this is our key area, that 1 hour demand that I showed you. As we were coming down to that 1 hour, we were making lower highs and lower lows. So market was coming down. From that, once we got there, we saw a change in the market structure. How do we know? Because price rallied and took out these lower highs, now changing the structure of the market. Not only did it do that, it also created a fair value gap in the process. So we have a change in market structure plus a fair value gap coming from a bigger time frame 1 hour demand. So now what I did is I waited for the retest of that fair value gap to enter in on this trade. And now we're in that trade now. Now the thing is, we want to find our next area of liquidity to where price is wanting to unload on this order. So I can see very immediately we have some supply up here that we can take profits from. We got some 1 hour supply. And then we also have Tokyo lows, which we're heading to right now. We're at Tokyo lows at the moment. And then we have New York highs just right above this level. So the best way that I like to do it, just to make it simple, is I like to just see what my R&R is. So we went long about here. We can put our stop loss either below this previous low, or we can do it from the distance of the fair value gap, because that's when we know the trade is definitely not going in our favor. And then we just drag the other part up here, and we'll target a 1 to 2 R&R. So that's sitting somewhere about here. Our 1 to 2 R&R. And this is the trade that we have on our hands. I will say though, for a scalp, I would prefer to have my wrist a little bit shorter, and we just take this move to the upside for a quick 1 to 3 R&R on a scalp. But if we're looking to catch a longer move, we can put our risk more so down here just to give it room to run. So I'm just going to take this as a scalp play, and just to show you a quick trade and just kind of the setups that I look for in real time. So right now this looks like a if I can pull it up here. Yeah, right now we're at like a 1 to 3 R&R on this, so I could definitely just take this as a scalp. I don't have to hold this the whole day and just take profits up here since it's already at a 1 to 3 R&R. And that's it. Quick setup, happens in real time, and
order filled.
We're done trading for the day. It can be that simple.